Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments. I love to hear from you. Y'all, this is going to be a very quick video. I just want to tell you about the new stimulus check that's coming out. Well, it's not coming out just yet, but everybody's agreeing on it. So that's a very good sign that it is coming out. Just when they get the bill passed. We're not going to get it before then. Okay, the check that they're saying that they're all in agreement on is the same check that we got before. Right now it's at $1,200 per person, $2,400 per couple, $500 per dependent. No age limit on those dependents. That means more dependents will get it. Now keep in mind, this is just a proposal right now. It's not a bill. I'm not saying it's definitely going to happen, but they all agree on this check. Okay, people that will not get it is the people that owe back child support. People that are in prisons won't get it. The people that will get it is people on SSI, Social Security, SSDI, and Railroad Retirement. They will get it. The income gaps for this check is for a single person, it's $75,000. For a couple, $150,000. So basically, if you got it before, you'll get it this time, but more dependents will be able to get it this time. There's no age limit on the dependents. This is right now a one-time check. It's not passed yet. Anything could happen. But it is agreed on by everybody. The House, the President, the White House, and the the Senate. So the checks is pretty much a done deal. You can look forward to that, I believe. I would say on a scale from 1 to 10, you got a 9.75% chance of getting it. It's just going to be when they get the bill passed. It won't be right now. We know Steve Mnuchin said if they get the bill passed by the 7th, he could have the checks ready by the 14th. 50 million of them will go out to the people by the 14th. They should get their money by the 21st. So once they get this bill passed, they are going to act fast on getting the checks out. So this is very good news, and even Mooch McConnell is agreeing on it. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and just remember, I love you all. Ciao.